Ever found yourself needing your Newton account number but drawing a blank on where to find it? It's a common problem, especially if you don't access your account frequently or if you're new to the platform. You might be trying to set up a recurring transfer, link your bank account, or maybe you just need it for record keeping. Whatever the reason, that elusive account number can feel like it's hidden in Fort Knox. But don't worry, you're not alone, and finding it is actually quite simple. In this video, we're going to walk you through all the ways you can quickly and easily locate your Newton account number. We'll cover accessing it through the mobile app, the web platform, and even touch on how to get support if you're still having trouble. So, if you're ready to stop searching and start finding, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the most convenient method for many, the Newton mobile app. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is largely the same. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile or settings. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a person, a gear, or three lines stacked on top of each other. The exact location might vary slightly depending on your operating system and the app version, but it's typically found in the bottom navigation bar or a side menu. Once you've found your profile or settings section, look for an option that says something like Account Details, Personal Information, or just Account. Tapping on this should bring up a screen that displays your essential account information. And there, amongst the details, you should find your Newton account number. It's usually displayed clearly, often labeled as Account Number, Client ID, or something similar. Sometimes it might be displayed alongside your name and other identifying information. Now, if you prefer using a computer or don't have access to your mobile device, you can also find your account number through the Newton web platform. Just head over to the Newton website and log into your account. The process here is very similar to the mobile app. You'll want to find your profile or settings section, which is often located in the top right corner of the screen. Look for a similar icon as on the app, a person, a gear, or those three lines. Clicking on your profile or settings should lead you to a page with your account details. Again, look for options like Account Details, Personal Information, or just Account. On this page, you should find your Newton account number clearly displayed. It might be labeled slightly differently, but it will be a string of numbers that uniquely identifies your account. Now, what if you've checked both the app and the web platform and you're still not seeing your account number? Don't panic. There are a couple of things you can do. First, double-check that you're logged into the correct account. It sounds obvious, but sometimes we accidentally log into a different account, especially if we have multiple. Make sure the name and other details displayed match what you expect. If you're still having trouble, the best course of action is to contact Newton support directly. They have dedicated support channels, usually through email or live chat, where you can get personalized assistance. Explain your situation clearly, that you're trying to locate your account number and you're having trouble finding it. They may ask you to verify some information to confirm your identity, but they should be able to quickly provide you with the account number you need. When contacting support, it's always helpful to have any relevant information handy, such as the email address associated with your account or any other details you can remember. This will help them assist you more efficiently. You can typically find contact information for Newton support on their website, usually in a Contact Us or Help section. One important thing to remember, never share your Newton account number publicly or with anyone you don't trust. This is sensitive information that could be used for unauthorized access to your account. Only provide it to trusted parties, such as your bank when setting up linked accounts, or to Newton support when you're seeking assistance. Now, let's recap the key takeaways. Your Newton account number is a crucial piece of information that you'll need for various transactions and account-related activities. The easiest way to find it is usually through the Newton mobile app or the web platform. Simply navigate to your profile or settings, look for Account Details or similar, and your account number should be displayed there. If you can't find it, double-check that you're logged into the correct account and, if necessary, contact Newton support for assistance. Remember, keeping your account number secure is paramount. Treat it like any other sensitive piece of information and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. By following these simple steps, You should be able to locate your Newton account number quickly and easily, allowing you to manage your finances with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.